Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buchler of Inky Fingers Paper Crafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to showcase the World of Good suite, one of my absolute favorite suites from the new annual catalog. And then I'm going to show you how to make a lovely card with these products. Now this suite includes this stunning Specialty Designer Series paper. Remember, the word specialty means that it has metallic foil accents throughout the paper. In this case, it has brass foil accents on several of the sheets. Isn't that gorgeous? It also includes this terrific Old World Paper 3D embossing folder. Now, do you remember back in Celebration of 2020, there was this great bundle called the Power of Hope bundle, and it included a stone 3D embossing folder. Now, I absolutely loved that folder, and I was really hoping they'd have something similar in this year's annual catalog, and here it is. You're going to love the effect created with this embossing folder. It looks great when you ink it, and it looks great without ink. It just has so much texture and dimension. I am wild about it. Now this suite also includes this wonderful stamp and die bundle. I love the look of this stamp set, and I think the sentiments and images are good for so many projects, for graduation, teachers, masculine cards, thank yous, travel, and so much more. Truly, there are so many people to whom I'd love to say, you make the world a better place, and now I can. And finally, the embellishments. There are two embellishments that coordinate with this suite. This faux suede trim and the antiqued corners and slides. Now, I wasn't sure about these until I received them, but I'm actually really impressed with them. Look at the detail there. So these slides can be used on any 1/4 inch ribbon, and these corners add dimension and interest to any layer of a project. I really like how different these embellishments are from the rest of our collection. Now, if you're a beginning stamper, eager to get started but feeling overwhelmed with all these products, don't worry. You can get started really easily without even needing to put ink to paper with the Memories and More card packs. For $15, you get a terrific collection of double-sided cards in 2 sizes and some sticker sheets for embellishing, and all of it can be used for either scrapbooking or card making. So here are just some of the cards that I've created with the Memories and More card pack, and these cards come together super quickly because everything coordinates and everything is cut to size already for you. All right, now that you've seen the suite, let's get on with making this card. So your measurements are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches. I've got a matte layer, which is 4 by 5.25 inches. I've got an early espresso layer, which is 4.25 by 3 inches. And then a DSP layer, which is 4 1/8 by 2 7/8. And I'm also got some white and crumb cake cardstock to stamp on. First of all, I'm going to run this crumb cake layer through my embossing machine with the Old World Paper 3D embossing folder. Now on my scrap cardstock, I'm going to stamp my sentiment, Life's a Beautiful Journey, and I'm also going to stamp this little quill and ink pot. Now I'm going to cut these out with the coordinating dies. For the sentiment, I'm going to use the cleaned stamp to help me trace around these letters, and then I'll cut them out. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to sign up for Creativity to Go, which means once a month you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. I am also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun social crafting time with others. Find all these details and so much more on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Paper Crafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping! Bye!